green light. Here we go. Let's pull up out of this dock so we can get the seal. Let's go. Grab the keys. Take this. Let's go get our seal. Come on now. Oh, that's done. Let's see. 29 0 813. Whew. Perfect. Yeah, on most of these dry van loads, I find that 2.5 body panels smack dab in the center usually, come on, there we go, usually will do her to getting it balanced out. Sometimes, but not always, but most definitely most of the time. Hey, watch out. Come on, girly, you can do it. You can fit. Come on, almost there. Just a little bit more, girly. Come on now. Where are we at? There we go. How does this work? I can't even see this daggone thing. Print. All right. Lift that right here. We're overweight, y'all. See, look at that. It ran right out there and he's not even paying attention. All right, well, we're going to South Dock 148 to get reworked. 48, come on. Boom, here we go. To at least pull up one good time. That's all right. Come on now. Woo. Probably should have just pulled straight up in this hole in the first place. Found it. Well, that's that, y'all. We put her in. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Drop a comment below. Let me know if you like them shots with the hat cam earlier. The beeping. We're got the microwave going right now. We're heating up some cheese-covered broccoli to go with these wonderful chicken tenders here from Tyson. So, anyway, so a little amped up today. It's been had a great time at the house. Got the APU fixed over the weekend and into Monday, and it only let's see, the belt busted, the compressor, idler pulley, clutch went out on it, so it exploded. They opened they got me taken care of and they got me done in one day. And at our company shop there in Dayton, sorry, get some of that extra BS out of here. Take these sunglasses off so I can actually talk to you. And got that done. Only cost $468 to be able to get that done. About 8 o'clock. It is about 2 o'clock Eastern time, about 3 o'clock Eastern time now, and we are down here just north of Chattanooga. Gonna get into Georgia tonight before we stop so we can finish up our delivery in the morning in Florida. So until then, I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, y'all, well, we made it. We're in Florida at the ConAgra. So, same thing as last time. Slide your tandems to the rear. Go pop it in the door. Except this time, they have you disconnect from your truck. What's up, Goofy? Tag, tag, tag. You good dog. Go on, get in there. Yes. Make backing up a lot easier. Why don't we just use all the space we're given? Get in here all nice and close like. Put us daggum near straight right in that door. Woo, look at that, almost perfect. We'll have to do a little bit of correction, but that's okay. Alright, we's in the door. Lock the tandems back in. You'd think, being as large of a company as this place is, pulling their trailers, they'd have better landing gear. But can't win them all, I guess. Whew. What do you want, Davis? What? What you growling about? I'm sitting here trying to cook. You're back there growling. What's the matter? Tell me. That bed was all nice and made up before you... See? That's what I'm talking about. That right there. That right there. That's why we can't have nice things. Alright, everybody. Well, it is officially 2:17 in the afternoon. We've been up since midnight. Showed up, got unloaded. Got our next load booked. Going down to... Let me see here. I'll pull it up for y'all real quick. We're going up from Jacksonville up to Garden City, Georgia, up there in Savannah. Gonna grab it, live load, and then we're gonna take it to Lowe's in Mount Vernon, Texas, 917 miles away, $2.18 some cents a mile. So, and says I can deliver between the 27th and the 28th, which is Friday and Saturday. It's dinner time and nap time because we've been up since midnight. And y'all, I'm just tired. So I'm gonna cut this off right here for now. And I will see y'all lovely people in the morning when we go to get loaded. All right, y'all. See you then. All right, y'all. We're loaded. We're gonna close it up. Let's go see what we got. Oh, crap. All right, well. Dadgummit, this makes me mad. This is a drop because I'm gonna have to waste a strap on this. Oh, I need to clean up my side box. Well, you know what? We'll give them the free strap that I acquired. It matches our paperwork. Okay. Oh. Huh. Looks like when they tell you to get straps, that's the connection you need. This one here. Come on, get in there. Whew. And then boom. Tighten that baby up. And they put little slats in the board and the floor, but that's not always going to guarantee it ain't going to go anywhere. So this thing is a giant POS, or as Sergeant Montavo would have said back in my days in the Army, it's a DOP. Drop a comment below, tell me if you can tell if you know what that means. Well, hey everybody, I'm either brave or stupid. We slept at a way station last night. Truck's sitting a wee bit crooked, ain't it? Yeah. Not only is it going downhill, so yeah, we're a little tired this morning, but you know what? I got what I need to fix that. Got me one of these. If y'all haven't tried these, try them, y'all. Woo! They are delicious, and they work great. And I don't have none of the backlash from any of the other things like... Alright, hey everybody, what's going on? So, interesting turn of events. Apparently, I'm gonna get lucky here. But, here's a lesson for y'all. I normally don't get too much into this thinking about, you know, weather and stuff until the winter gets here, trying to dodge snowstorms and stuff. And, you know, I forgot about hurricane season. And, looks like we got Hurricane Ida.
Ida is now.
Oh, sorry. And, it's showing it's supposed to make landfall Sunday at like 6 in the morning or something like that. And currently Dadgummit, Hunter. We are right there at that blue dot, right in the path of it. So, we're gonna be running as hard as we can right now. And we're gonna try to get out of the path of this. Our load delivers in Texas Saturday night. So we're gonna miss this by like 12 hours, something like that. And you know, prayers going out to everybody who's in the line of this hurricane. I hope y'all get out and get evacuated, and if you're gonna ride it out, I hope everything goes well. And just know, if y'all need some help and some crazy stuff starts going on, y'all need supplies and stuff, you can guarantee we're gonna bring them supplies to y'all. All right, everybody, so this is where we're ending this video. Gonna have us this good old bottled 7-Up. It's 7-Up, y'all. Don't start thinking it's a Heineken. We don't do that on the road. Anyway, we're gonna finish up this video here. We're gonna wrap it up. We done dropped off at Lowe's, and yeah, I'm bald too. Shaved the head, trimmed the beard. Yeah, we didn't talk about that. But we are staging in Texas, between Dallas and Louisiana, to be out of the path of the hurricane. And we volunteered to go down into Louisiana once the hurricane goes through to be part of the hurricane relief. Originally, I was supposed to go in tonight, which was where I was going to end when we got to where we were staging up there. And that didn't happen. So we're going to take a reset, get all of our hours back, just in case for some reason we need hours of service running all these loads to get these old boys down in Louisiana taken care of. And we're going to talk back with them, check back in with them Monday, and go down to there to try to give some relief to those people who rode it out and to help with the cleanup down there in Louisiana. So right now they're not letting anybody go in because the hurricane's a Category 4, so they're not even, like, they've pulled everybody's loads off of them that we're going to Louisiana, and they won't let me go in. So our next video, I'll let y'all know if we actually ended up getting to go in and help everybody out, or if they ended up just canceling the whole thing because of how bad it is. But as it stands right now, I'm on the list to go into Louisiana